Hi guys, welcome to Small Farmer Life, and today we're going to talk about how you can tell if your cockerel's doing its job, how good the fertility rate is of your hens, and if you're selling fertile hatching eggs, you want to know this because you don't want to be sending out dud eggs, and if you don't have a fertile cockerel, then you will be sending out dud eggs and you're not going to get a very good reputation if you're going to be doing that. So we've got 9 blue cream leg bar eggs here, and one of them for some reason lays a cream one, but I think I'll keep her still and I'll put her in with my egg laying flock. So guys, we'll start cracking the eggs open. Now just be gentle when you're cracking them, nice little tap, and then open them up. You don't want to be busting the egg yolk. I can see the bullseye on that one there straight away, but that one could be on the opposite side of the egg, so you need to check that. Like some of them there, you can see the bullseye straight away, another bullseye there, another bullseye there. But like I say, it could be on the opposite side of the egg, but a lot of people don't check that. Right guys, so straight off the bat, I can see that there's 1, 2, 3, 4. Get rid of that. I can see there's 4 there straight away just by looking at them, and I'll show you up close. Now what I need to do is turn these over and see if any of these are actually fertile. I'll just do it gently. Flip the egg over. It's not hard to do. Make sure you have a good look once you get the egg turned over. There you go, there's the bullseye on that one. There's the bullseye on that one. There's the bullseye on that one. Bullseye already on that one. There's the bullseye on that one. There's a bullseye on that one. So there you go guys, that's 10 bullseyes. Guys, I've got to switch over to my iPhone just so I can show you really close up of the bullseyes. If you look there, you can see there's a bullseye in that one, there's a bullseye in that one, there's the bullseye in that one, there's the bullseye in that one, the bullseye on that one, the bullseye on that one. On this one, it's on the side there. That one's on the top, that one's on the top, and that one's on the top. So that's how you tell if you've got a really good fertility rate, guys. It's just by cracking open 10 eggs, and how many eggs from them 10 have you got that are actually fertile. And people will be repeat customers and probably come back and buy 100 eggs if they know that maybe the 6 eggs are bought off you first are fertile. Now you don't know how they incubate them, so their hatch rate could be different, but that's how you can tell how good a cockerel you've got and if he's doing his job right and if he's serving all the hens, because that came from just the eggs from today. From 12 birds there was 10 eggs there and 10 fertile eggs at that, so great stuff. Yeah, so that's Small Farmer Life. If you want to watch more videos on actual chicken farming and anything else to do with Small Farmer Life, then hit that bell button. If you want to subscribe, it's your choice. And until next time, guys, my name's Craig. You're watching the Small Farmer Life. Be safe out there. Most of all, take care of the family. And if you like the video, hit the like button. I'll see you next time. Bye for now.